Traders, looking at the euro dollar. Now, this was an idea I posted into TradingView back here. That was the idea. We were looking for a pullback and continuation bullish. So we got that. We got the pullback and we broke structure bullish. And so what I want to do with this video now is have a look at price action and just find another opportunity, basically. Right, so this is now trending bullish. We've got a strong euro, weak dollar. The trend is definitely, heading north, right? But way to get involved with this would be to wait for, as I mentioned in the previous video, just wait for a retrace, pull the Fibonacci from low to high. We're trading into these highs. I'm expecting this to pull back. All right, so I'm looking for a move back down into this level here. Have a look at this candle. We've got a bullish imbalance right through here. Okay, so this is this thin candle, one-sided trading bullish. The balance area down below. So we'll just mark that up, and that coincides with, if I can just do that. That coincides with the Fibonacci retrace. If I grab the fib again, low to high, the pull back into this blue and red and blue zone, 50 to 61.8. So I'm looking for continuation. I want to see the move back, and that's my take on the euro dollar. Stop loss under the imbalance. I want to pull back down into here. Stop loss would go under here, and the criteria would be I don't want to see a pullback break the low of this imbalance range. I want it to hold here. Maybe it pulls back and ranges sideways for a bit, and then it rotates bullish. That's what I want to see. All right, and then if that's the case, then I'm going to be looking to get long. Stop under the imbalance. This is my entry, like point of interest area, and targets. Well, target one would be the high here, of course. That's target one, and target two would be up around this. This is an extended move, right? So if we just pick up this tool here, if we go low to high A, B, right, down into the 50 C, D measured move, right? So that's that's a valid target. You could also look left and see what we have previously, and let's just do that actually. Let's have a quick look on the weekly. Yeah, I mean, it's been a while. Yeah, okay, back here. So we've got this level back here that would be a point of interest around the 50, this high right there. That's on the weekly time frame. So I'll just mark that up, come back into the 4 hour. Yeah, so my thing would be to target below that level. See how we go with this, guys. But look, if it pulls back and we start to see a bit of movement, I'd be inclined to even take partial profits, pull my stop loss to break even, and then just sit on it and see if we get a extended move with it. Guys, I would love you to comment below. That would be awesome. Let me know what you think. Share your thoughts. And with that, hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.